Before eagles and sparrows, there was Archaeopteryx, 150 million years ago. Half dinosaur, half bird, born in a tropical lagoon in what's now Germany, its discovery rewired science. In 1861, a single fossil feather lit the fuse. Archaeopteryx had teeth, clawed fingers, and a long bony tail, but also aerodynamic, asymmetrical flight feathers. It likely glided between trees, flapping in bursts rather than soaring like modern birds. A living hyperlink between worlds. Contenders like Anchiornis and Orornis may be older, but their bird status is debated. Archaeopteryx still wears the crown because its fossils clearly show flight-ready feathers and that unmistakable bird-dinosaur mashup in stone. One fossil, a revolution. Birds are dinosaurs that learn to fly. Want more bite-sized deep time? Tap, follow, like, and share, and tell me which fossil to dig into next.